What's going on? This is Kareem from DJbooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the brand new Native Instruments Maschine Mikro. So if you guys remember and are familiar with this channel, then you'll know that we review and look at mostly all of the Maschine hardware. There's the brand new Maschine MK3. There's also the Maschine Studio, the real big behemoth style machine. And this is their smaller Maschine Mikro. And they just made some cool hardware updates to this little device, so that way it's easier to use with your different instruments and with the software that this comes bundled with, the Maschine software. And it also works well with the complete software as well, also brought to you by Native Instruments. So we're gonna have the full out review video for you guys within the next couple weeks, but for right now we're just gonna take a real quick look at the unboxing experience, and I'm seeing it with you guys at the first time, so hopefully this goes well. Right off the top, we got styrofoam, of course. And then you see the device in here itself, nice and compact. It really reminds me of the Complete Series keyboards and some of the other gear that's out, because it has some of the similar buttons and some of the similar knobs. That's what's found on the other gear in the lineup as well. We'll link all of those reviews in the below description of the video. But let's just check out and see what else comes in the box. Next up is your Maschine Mikro hardware serial number, so that way you can register this. Make sure you have your warranties. We also have your stickers, and you also have a special offer for sounds.com, so that way you can go there and download your daily samples and loops right here from sounds.com. And of course you have a really quick start guide as well. Also in the box is your USB cable. This is USB powered. You don't need a power cable. Let's make sure that that's all that's in here. Yep, looks like about it. So let's just move right along to the hardware. So first up, as I said earlier, it really reminds me of the aesthetic and the feel and the form factor of their other gear that they have from Native Instruments. These buttons are basically the same that's found on their popular keyboards from the Complete Series. And it also has nice big pads on here, and everything is laid out in a really nice way. You have a lot of different LED feedbacks here, so that way you can see different words and what's active at the particular time. You also have a really small miniature screen up here to see other information for the track that you're working on. And we're gonna have a nice deep dive into this little bad boy as soon as I get the chance. Should be within the next week or so. So make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for videos just like this one. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.